Good morning. All right, so here we go. We have a textbook question, okay, and it's IAL Pure Maths 3, and it's chapter 1.2, Improper Fractions. All right, here's a textbook exam style question over here. We have to solve it. All right, fully factorize the expression. Now this is for 2 marks and this is for 4 marks, right? So now the first part, it's saying us to factorize the expression x to the power of 4 minus 1. Now first thing to identify here, it's difference of 4 squares, alright? So whenever it is a difference of 4 squares, okay, it can be written something like this, right? And this can be further written as a plus b, a minus b, right? Because the difference of 4 squares can be written as a squared minus b squared bracket times by a squared plus b squared bracket. Now a squared minus b squared is difference of two squares, which can be further simplified to a plus b um, times by bracket times by a minus b, right? So hence, so that we can say that x minus 4, x to the power of 4 minus 1, it can be written as x squared minus 1, x squared plus 1, right? X squared minus 1 can be further written as x plus 1, x minus 1, and x squared plus 1, right? Hence this is going to be our final answer. Now what it's asking in part B is hence or otherwise write the algebraic fraction x to the power of 4 minus 1 in the form, or divide by x plus 1 in form of ax plus b bracket times by cx squared plus dx plus e bracket, and find the values of a, b, c, d, and e. Right, so in part B, what we need to do here that we need to have to write this algebraic fraction into ax plus b, this form, alright, over here. How we are going to do this? Well, since now hence, whenever they say hence over here, we need to use something from the last question, something, something. It's just there's a connection. So what something we are going to use is basically this x to the power of 4 minus 1, the factorized version one is x plus 1, x minus 1, and we have x squared plus 1 over x plus 1. Now the x plus 1 cancels out, right? We are left with x minus 1 times by x squared plus 1. Now now this, okay, is basically similar to this one. This is now basically same as this. How? This is just basically 1x minus 1 the coefficient of x is just 1, and this is going to be 1x squared plus 0x, right, plus 1. Now now that means that, I just making to understand, I just broke it down into, clear way to understand the coefficients. All right, so this is 0x plus 1, 1x minus 1, 1x. So yeah, I just break it down to just make it easy. So hence the a is going to be 1, right, b is going to be minus 1, c is going to be 1, d is going to be 0, and e is going to 1. And hence this is going to be our answer. Quite an easy question, but just you have to cancel these factors to arrive at x minus 1 and a quadratic over here, right? So I hope you understood something from this. Peace out.